Hey special family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Linda and you are so welcome. In today's video, I will be setting up the dining table and I will clean the kitchen as well. So stay tuned with me. The first thing I'm doing is to clean the table, making sure the table is really clean and there's nothing sticking on the table. Once I'm done with that, I'm putting the placemat. This placemat is from Amazon. I bought it some time ago and I cannot tell you how this has been so nice, and I get compliment whenever guests come over. So once I get the placemat in place, I'm just putting the plate on it, arranging everything. This table setting is for 6 people. However, we can extend the table to accommodate 8 people. This table is wood, but one thing I like about the table is it does not scratch that much, and whenever you use the wood polish spray to clean it, it looks new again. At this point, I'm just arranging the wine glasses to make sure it aligns with each placemat. The little thing matters a lot, and I want it to look beautiful. So now let's go ahead and add some table napkin. I am using red. Red makes the table so beautiful. It makes it pop out so it's not too dull, and red napkin matches with everything. The design, the table napkin design I'm using today is just very simple, folding it and using the ring, the napkin ring to hold it in place. And that's simple and fancy, right? Yeah. So let me know how you love to fold your napkins and what is your favorite color. I'm doing the same thing. Once I'm done folding all of them, I'll arrange them on each setting. So the red napkin just give it life again, like popping. And the ring is pearls and gold. So you cannot see it from here, but that is also pretty. Yeah, guess what? We're done. We're now going to the kitchen. I am using all-purpose cleaner to clean the island and the countertop. Again, I always say I do not want to use a very strong chemical. I clean a lot and I don't want to get sick cleaning. So I try as much as I can to make my own cleaning solution, which is just with baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap. But today, I'm just using the all-purpose cleaner to clean. So I did the dishes last night. I'll go ahead and put them away. Once I'm done putting the dishes away, I'll go ahead and clean the dishwasher. Then I'll fix the trash bag, and finally I'll wash the sink. If you are still here with me, thanks for staying along. I really appreciate you. Can you please like and comment? Let me know where you are watching from and let me know what you love about this video, and I will reply and show my love to you as well. I'll go ahead and wipe down the sink, and voila, we are done. Now let's look at how everything turned out, from the dining to the kitchen. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.